The infrastructure downtown is very historic. We're planning to replace the water, sewer, roads, and then traffic improvements all downtown. For example, the sewer lines in downtown, some of those are dating back to 1899, and so we want to replace those, maintain our awesome history of providing reliable service in our wastewater system. The water system, a lot of the lines around here are from the 1930s, and so they're just about 100 years old, and so we want to replace those so we're not having breaks and impacts to the community. So we'll be replacing those with this project. We also want to improve the downtown area with traffic improvements, so we want to make sure that people can get around and enjoy downtown. We also want to have safety improvements so that people can enjoy walking around downtown and do it safely. And then we also want to just make sure that the community has a very nice environment, and so we're also looking at lighting and making sure we have access so people feel safe in the downtown area. These improvements to the infrastructure are important because we want to control and mitigate flooding to businesses and residents all throughout downtown and throughout the community. This is the first step in many projects to come to mitigate flooding, but also to replace aging water and sewer infrastructure so they don't fail. We have less breaks and less impacts to the community. Residents will start seeing construction activity and even design activities right now, but construction activities starting in July. And this will be probably for the next 2 years as we construct all the many different pieces around the downtown area. This infrastructure meeting is on June 22nd from 6 to 8 at the Rec Center. This is an opportunity to learn about the infrastructure pieces that are going to be improved in the downtown area and find out where and what is happening. You'll also find out of how pedestrian access and travel access into the downtown area will be maintained and how we can communicate and collaborate together for this historical improvements for downtown. We want everyone who's impacted by construction to attend for sure, but also it's open to the whole community if they want to learn more about the project, learn about where they need to travel or where they need to go when construction activities happen downtown. We want to keep it open to all the communities so they can come down and enjoy our beautiful historical downtown area.